Hi everyone, Mark here from patternsofheaven.com. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you. So let's get started. So let's say that in the beginning that they started counting with rocks. Although they didn't, but let's say that they did. So everything that God does, He does with dynamic symmetry and harmony. So if you began with unity, put out the dots 1, 2, 3, and then connect the dots. You have a seen order and you have an unseen order. So if you've connected the dots, then everything He does with dynamic symmetry and harmony, you just flip-flop the triangle, and what do you have? A square. So let's do that with math. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 9. So not real tough math. If we turn it to the side, we have beginning with unity, multitude, and magnitude. So now let's carry that over here. Let's go, if He does everything with dynamic symmetry and harmony, we should be able to flip-flop the columns. So let's go 1, 3, 2, with the last column being in the middle, 2, 6, 4, 3, 9, 6. So we've changed the order of the numbers, but we haven't changed the character. So 1 times 2 is 2, times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, times 6 is 48, 3 times 6 is 18, times 9 is 162. Then 1 times 3 is 3, times 2 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, times 4 is 48, and 3 times 9 is 27, times 6 is 162. So we have changed the order, but we haven't changed the character. Add them up, equals 216. All right. So now, if we carry this over, and we go 1, 3, 2, 2, 6, 4, 3, 9, 6. Okay. Now, if you want to know more about a particular topic, like let's say you had a cucumber and a sharp knife, you wanted to chop it up into finer pieces, you could inspect more pieces, have finer granularity on the topic. With numbers, if you want to know more about it, add a 0 at the back end. And now you've changed it from 132 of them to 1,320 of them. So you have finer granularity, can inspect more deeper on the topic. So 1320, this is times 1, and this is times 2, and this is times 3. So Socrates was a pretty sharp guy, and he said, if you know this, this, and this, you're supposed to ask what's next. And does that number mean anything to you? 5,280. So that's 500,280 feet in a mile, which is a unit of measurement of distance on planet Earth. Also reference to Mile High Denver. So then, beginning at unity, we have now gone to the unit of measurement of distance on planet Earth. And so anytime that you're dealing with a square, you're dealing with geometry, measurement of the Earth. So now, if you, what do you know about 3960? Does that number mean anything to you? Okay, let's draw a circle. A dot in the middle and out here to the edge, 3960. 3,960 is the number of miles in the radius of planet Earth. So now let's carry this over 2 more iterations, 6,600, 7,920, and complete this. 7,920 is the diameter of the Earth in miles. Now, going back here to this one, we said that 216 is what it added up to. Okay, let's carry that out. So 216. 216 in Hebrew means light. If we want to know more about it, add a 0 at the back end. And 2160 is the diameter of the moon in miles. The moon is the light of the night. And so if you take half of that is 1080, so that would be the radius of the Earth, or radius of the moon rather, in miles. Now if you take 3960 and 1080, add those up, it equals 5040. What's interesting about that? Well, get out your calculator on your phone or your computer. Take 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 7, when 7 is the number of completion, equals what? 5040. Radius of the Earth in miles, radius of the Moon in miles, added up equals a factor of 7. Is that by chance, or is that by design? We've gone from unity to the unit of measurement of distance on planet Earth. From unity, we've gone to radius of the Earth in miles, diameter of the Earth in miles, diameter of the Moon. Beginning with unity, factor of 7 is the sum of the radius of the Earth and the Moon in miles. Again, is that by chance or is that by design? If you like what you see, then check us out on patternsofheaven.com, like us on Facebook, share it with your friends, check out the ebook, and we'll see you on the next video.